Hi everyone, thank you for watching. And I believe this video is going up on Halloween, so happy Halloween if you are celebrating. I probably should have dressed up, but whatever. Today we're opening up the Get Kindness box, and I'm super excited. This box always makes me feel really happy, so I can't wait to see what's inside. This is a seasonal subscription that costs $49.99, and there is free shipping in the US. And each season you get 8 to 10 items, and everything inside is revolved around spreading kindness for you and the planet. So it's good for the environment. Everything is very eco-conscious that you get, and just overall brings joy. And I'm in a good mood today because it's FabFitFun customization, but I could always use more joy. And hopefully this brings you joy as well. So before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And before I forget, speaking of kindness, I want to say thank you to two of my very kind subscribers. You guys are the best. So I have this necklace here that was sent to me by Marty. I actually got it a few days ago. It may have been in my P.O. box for a while. I didn't check it for like a month. I apologize. And when I first got it, I didn't realize that she wrote me a kind note inside. So thank you so much. By the time this video is up, I should have reached out to you personally. And then also to Sally, thank you so much for this beauty blender. I love this. I used it today. Yeah, it's great. I totally needed it. Didn't have to wash my other sponges. You guys are the best. I appreciate it so much. Like, no one ever has to feel the need to send me anything. Just a note would be fine, but the fact that you took time out of your day to send me something really just is amazing and so kind. And yeah, I love you guys. So let's get this box open. The fall kindness box. Can you open it up? Oh, how fitting. It's October 31st when this video is going up, and it looks like we have some Halloween theme. And it says, happy fall everyone. A pattern was not needed for this wrap. Yeah, when I mentioned that they are eco-conscious, they actually like use wrapping that you can then use to like make clothing items a lot of times, but apparently this time we don't need a pattern because the wrap is pretty self-explanatory. And on the box it says, from the bottom of our hearts, we hope this box brings you happiness. When we are at our best, we can give our best to the world. Let's make the world kinder together. And here is the card. It says, trick or treat yourself with kindness. And then what's inside my box, and talks about everything. And then there's a pin holding the wrap together. So we get one of these every season. And it says, don't throw your wrap away. Here's an idea of how we came up with how you can repurpose it. And it's on their website. Ooh, this looks nice. Let's start with this. Oh my god, this is so comfy. This is by Yaya's House. And it's a neck pillow. So this neck pillow is so time to dry off, put on this cozy neck pillow and head to the couch. It's time to top the night off with spooky movies. It makes me feel like I'm traveling or something, but I'm totally just gonna use this at home. It's like the softest one I've felt. Love it. And next, looks like we have a sleep mask. Again, this is really soft too. Look, the inside's like this pretty green color. Is that what's gonna match? Yeah, cool. Oh, so soft. Sleep mask. The night may be dark and full of terrors, but you will sleep like a baby with this custom-made sleep mask. Man, I'm like loving the feeling of all these right now. And this says cotton candy. Oh, is it actually cotton candy? Yeah, because there's nutrition facts. I haven't had cotton candy in forever. Like, I don't even remember the last time. And where does it talk about this? Yeah, don't worry, you brought the movie snacks. Chow down on this creepy colored candy. Ooh, these are pretty colors. Is this like a little jewelry case or something? Yeah, this must be the jewelry dish. It says, store your new necklace in this gorgeous handcrafted jewelry dish. Oh, there must be a necklace. Obviously, we'll open that next if I can find it. I love like blue and greens. Those are my favorite colors. Looks like there's like some purple in it too. I love stuff like this. This is where I keep like my earrings because I always like end up misplacing them, especially the smaller ones. So let's find that necklace they're talking about. Ooh, this is interesting. This is like a stone or something like that. I'm looking in the viewfinder. I can't tell if you can see. That's purple. It looks black. So head to that costume party in style with this beautiful necklace. Interesting. Next. Looks like we have a bath bomb. Moonchild Bath Bomb by Urban Bumble. I can't tell the smell. Let's see if it says it here. So it says, drop this black bomb in your bath and slip into the void of relaxation. Moonchild. Yeah, it looks like there's like some blue glitter in it. So it's black blue glitter. Can I speak? I say that like every video. No, clearly not. And we have a box here. It's a silver box. You guys know I love getting candles, and look, it's a pretty like shape too. I'm loving all these like purpley like colors, dark colors in this. This is so pretty. You know what, I think I forgot to move one of my box lights in here. Hopefully it's not dark, but at least we have like some sunlight coming in. I'm actually filming before like 9 or 10 p.m. Go me. So this has a smell. Oh, it smells good. It's like fall. Is it pumpkin-y? Yes! Light this pumpkin pie scented candle and draw the bath. We're just getting started. I just love fall scents so much. And I still have several things left. What is in here? Is this a scrunchie? There's what? And one has cats on it. You guys, I feel like I've talked about scrunchies a lot lately, and they just keep coming into my life, and I'm so happy. I love scrunchies. I'm totally gonna pull my hair up right after this. I know I am. It's a mess. I just put it down for the video right when I'm done. Putting this cat scrunchie in. Look how cute. It's purple. Cats. And I just was saying how I love the purple, but I really love this color green. And we had an item this color as well. Yay. Should I put both my scrunchies? Like a Visco girl? I had to Google what a Visco girl is. Is that still a thing? I don't know. But anyways, scrunchies. Pull that hair back and get ready to relax. Yeah, that goes with like taking a bath and stuff too. Ooh, and now we have bath soak. This is, so it says this is Brain Dead Beauty. Oh my god, and the picture goes with Halloween. I'll show you in a second. This is their Resurrector Skin Black Lava Salt Bath Soak. Yeah, spooky chick there. And this bath soak says, not in the mood for a bath bomb? Try this organic hibiscus black lava bath soak. Nice. I love how it looks. And it's like the heart rhythm. Cool. Black lava. And then the last thing in here is a featured artisan bonus gift. So I think this is really cool. They feature like a local artisan, like small business every month to get their name out there. I love supporting small businesses, and this box does, so I'm glad to support them. Let's see what it is. I don't think it'll say anything on here about it. But, oh, there's some information. Well, this looks familiar. So this bonus gift was provided to you by Ben's Bells. I swear I've gotten this. Was it in a past Get Kindness box, or was it in a different box? But anyways, this is what we got. I'll read it in just a second. This is a Ben's Bells kindness coin. Thank you for sharing your kindness. Pass it on. And then if you love this product as much as we do, reach out to the artisan and let them know. See what other unique products they have to offer. You know they would be excited to hear from you. Yeah, because I remember getting something like this, and I was like, oh, it reminds me of like when you have like one of those little rocks. You know what I'm talking? I don't know. I feel like I first read about that in like Chicken Soup for the Teenage Soul. Wow, it's so weird. When I get on camera sometimes I just have these weird memories. Like, I wouldn't say weird, but you know, like random. Like you would like keep a rock and like pass it on when someone needed it or something. There's one of the stories in the books. Wow, throwback. But yeah, I think it has to do with this. So share your kindness, you pass it on. And it's really cute too. But yeah, that was everything, you guys. I think this was a good box. I don't know if it was my all-time favorite. Okay, actually I got like some of my favorite things. What have I been raving about lately? Candles and scrunchies, yes. And the bath products, I was like that. And I actually am really excited about this too. And the sleep mask, I love the color. I use those, so. Because I stay up all night and sleep when the sun's out during the day. But I thought this was great, so thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I'd absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is so helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.